What's up guys, Rich here, and I know it's been a minute since I last posted a video, but I'm back because this just arrived minutes ago, and we're going to unbox Maurice Lacroix's newest Aikon model. I think I know which one this should be, but we're going to check it out right now. I already took it out of the outer box, but it should be, if I'm correct, the blue skeleton, but we're going to check that out right now. Yeah, and it is, yep. This is it right here. Take this out. So I'm going to undo, yep, here. Just get all of this undone. Oh, this is okay. The first thing I'm noticing from this is the finishing. This is in a blue skeleton in 42 millimeters, and this is, wow, the finishing is really sharp. Okay, exhibition case back. Has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 link bracelet. Really impressive in person. I've seen this a lot on the pictures, and I am fresh off of Minutes and Hours Chicago 2025, but I did not see this particular model. So this is the very first time I'm seeing like this all without all the protective tape. This is just sharp. Again, this isn't 42 millimeters. I think the price point is around 3,500, 3,600, around that price point. Really, this is just sharp. It's an integrated bracelet. It's really popular right now, but it's also proven to be a proven style of case and bracelet combination. Really. Okay, screw down crown. And look, I hope this camera is picking up what I'm trying to convey. This finishing on this, they really went first rate on the finishing. I got some fingerprint smudges on there. But really, this tag's making so much noise, but this is just sharp. It has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 claws on the bezel. That's their signature design. Very tastefully done on that dial. I mean, it's skeleton dialed or partially skeletonized dial. That's a hard thing to do. That can be a little tricky. It can be overdone or not enough done. This, to me, is just very tastefully done. Really nice job here by them. This is Swiss made, if you didn't already know. So here is a quick unboxing. Boy, that blue is pretty. This is just a quick unboxing of Maurice Lacroix's Aikon 42 with the blue skeleton dial. So I'm going to spend some time with this, and we'll be back with a full detail review. But I'm really liking what I'm seeing here. The finishing, the brushed work on this is just first rate. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.